Hi everyone, welcome to week 5 of Monday Motif series. Today we are going to see a 9 petal flower. For this I have chosen two colors, yellow and green, and this is how the pattern looks like. To start, we should start with chain stitches. So here as per the pattern, we have 9 chain stitches. So I'm going to make 9 chain stitches now. So first you should make a knot. Adjust the size with your needle, then make 9 chain stitches. Now I have made 9 chain stitches. Now you shall connect this with the first chain stitch using a slip stitch. So once this is done, your first row is ready. Now we are going to make the second row. The second row is going to be an increase stitch. So we have 9 stitches now. I'm going to make 2 single crochet in each chain so that the next row will become 18 stitches. Now again into the same loop where I made the slip stitch, I'm making 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. So the same procedure I can repeat in all 9 chain stitches. This is the last chain stitch. So totally I have made 18 single crochets now. Now we should connect this with a slip stitch. So I'm done with the slip stitch now. Now I'm going to change the color. So for this I have chosen yellow. So you can just hold the color you're going to change and make a chain stitch. Now you can start crocheting in the single crochets we made in the previous row. To make this even tighter, I'm going to make 1 single crochet which is going to hold my yellow and green yarn together. Now you can start making chain stitches. So this is 1 petal, so you should make 3 chain stitches, 3 triple crochets and again 3 chain stitches into the same single crochet. So now I'm making 3 chains and 3 triple crochets. So this is the first triple crochet. second, and third. Now to complete this, you can make 3 chain stitches again and connect this to the same with a slip stitch. Now you can skip the next single crochet and move to the next one. To start, again you should have a slip stitch that will hold and make 3 chain stitches and 3 triple crochets into the same loop. Now again, to close this petal, you should make 3 chain stitches and connect this in the same with a slip stitch. Now we had made 2 petals. Now the third one, it will be the same procedure. You should keep the next single crochet Now we completed the third one, so I'm doing the fourth petal. So now 4 petals done. I'm going to make the fifth petal. Five petals done. So while doing these petals, the nearby stitch will get hidden due to the thickness of petal. So you should ensure you are skipping the right single crochet to make the next petal. So we are done with 7 petals now. Now I'm going to make the 8th one. Now we are going to make the final petal. Now you shall connect this with a slip stitch. So once your slip stitch is done, you can pull as much as yarn you want to hang this as a charm. So now your 9 petal flower is ready. So I kept this tail end uncut because to make this tighten at the end. So if you have the gaps and all, you can just pull it at the end so that this gap will get disappear. And now leave as much as yarn you want and cut this. Also you can cut the excess yarn of the green one as well. So now you have many tail end and the working part we cut it off. You can just make a knot with all these stitches. So just connect it randomly so that it won't pull off in the future. So try to make it with the nearest color so that it don't look overlapped. Now you can just hide all these using a needle in the back side and cut off the excess part. I'm just going to hide it through the crochet needle. So insert on the back side and pull it off like this so that it will get stuck with this part. So it's not necessary to pull it all in the same loop. You can just do it randomly, but choose a close stitch to it. Once you are done hiding all these things, just cut it off with a scissor. That's it. So your easy 9 petal flower motif is ready. Thank you for watching.